Hello everyone, hope you all well with good health and you are watching Bindu on our online cooking classes, and today we are preparing menu of Christmas. Christmas is coming up and we are ready for the Christmas party, but stay at home with the family. We are celebrating this Christmas with the family at home. So let's get started for our first menu. I have prepared some of the recipes, so I will show you that how I have made it. But we are preparing today the spinach wreath. It is simple and very easy. So hope you all enjoy. Let's get started. First we are preparing stuffing for the wreath, and I'm using here 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Here our butter is melted. Now I'm adding here 1 garlic clove that I have chopped, not finely but just roughly I have chopped it. With this I'm using 1 tablespoon of spring onion. Once aroma starts to release from the garlic, I'm using here 1 teaspoon of wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour if you want, but I want to make it healthy, so I'm using here wheat flour and I'm roasting it for a while. Now I'm adding here 2 teaspoons of cooked sweet corn. With this, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, dry herbs I'm using here. Salt per taste, very little salt because we are using cheese as well, and naturally spinach also carries some of the salt, and very pinch of black pepper powder. Mix them well. Here I have chopped and washed 1 cup of spinach. So here mixture of spinach and sweet corn is ready. I'm not cooking it completely. I've just toasted it for 2 minutes and I'm switching off the flame and allow it to cool down. I'm using here 1 cup of wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour or you can make half of wheat flour and half cup of all-purpose flour. And with this I'm using 1 tablespoon heapful of salted butter. Salt per taste, very little because our butter also carries salt. After mixing butter with flour and salt, I'm using here I'm preparing here not too soft and not too hard dough. So here our dough is ready and you can see it's not too hard and not too soft, and I'm going to cover with the lid and keep for 15 minutes to rest. After 15 minutes I have divided this roll in 3 equal balls. It's not like a lemon size, it's a big size of ball, and now I'm going to roll it. So here I have rolled this and you can see this is not too thin and not too thick, so it's easily cooked in our oven when we are baking it. Now I'm using the stuffing. Before adding the spinach stuffing in our pastry sheet, I have used here 1.5 tablespoon, but cut it, or you can take handful of this shredded cheese, and this cheese is very soft, light and creamy cheese I'm using here. It's a simple cheddar cheese. Make sure that your whole stuff goes equally in each part. So here our stuffing I have kept, and now I'm first covering this both the side and trying to cover first. Here allow extra sides to stick when we are rolling, and after rolling this So I have made a ribbon and bow here and stick with the water, and I'm brushing this with the oil and keeping in an oven. I have already preheated this oven for 20 minutes on 180 degree, and now I'm going to bake this on 180 degree for 30 minutes. So here our wreath are ready, and I have garnished with the dill leaves, baby tomatoes and some drops of the ketchup. Starting with the appetizer with the soup. In the soup, I have cut the vegetables in star shape. There is sweet corn, potatoes, chives, mixed herb, and all dry masalas. Here I have vegetables in cream sauce, served with a salad, garlic bread, and potato mash here. So these are the main course of our menu. I have served here pudding in a snowman shape, one engine, small, very simple pudding, brownies, some cream biscuits, waffle biscuits, toffees, Christmas tree, some chocolate cookies and some chocolates. Hope you all have enjoyed our whole Christmas menu. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas to everyone. See you all in New Year. Till then, enjoy Christmas with the family. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.